Hey, and thanks for watching EdTech Hustle. Have you ever wanted to use AI to create an awesome music video? Well, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Magic Hour AI to do exactly that. The website we're going to want to go to is called Magic Hour. You can find it at magichour.ai. Now, this is a website that you can sign up for free, and it gives you a lot of awesome options for creation. As you can see on the screen, perfect for creators, marketers, and producers. What Magic Hour has are a number of different AI tools, and we are going to take a look at this one, which will allow us to create a music video. Now, I know you're going to want to know, is this free? Well, yes, you can sign up for free and you can create based on a certain number of credits. Now, right over here, you can see what the free plan is to the left-hand side of this column. If you want to purchase this, you can also purchase this for $10 a month if you're interested, and you can just get it just for that month. So if you need this on a per project basis, you can pay the $10 and you can sign up for Magic Hour. So a great price. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm signed in here to magichour.ai, and the option that I want is right over here where it says animation, create stop motion animations. All right, so from here you have lots of different options. You need to select your audio source. So this is where I said it can be an audio file, it can be a music track, or you'll notice you can actually upload the audio from a YouTube video if you would like. So lots of different options here. Now what I want to do is show you a song that I downloaded from the YouTube music library. That I'm going to upload that audio file by just dragging it in like this. It will go through and process, and from here I can select, do I want the whole song or do I want just a portion of the song? Now this is going to be important because the duration of your audio clip is going to decide how many credits you use. But you know what? I'm just going to create a video for this entire song. Okay, and you can see this is going to cost me about 2,000 credits. But I think that this is good, so now I'm going to go over to the side and I'm going to select next step. All right, so what I did for my first image, I just went into Canva and I generated an image of a person with a fire burning inside their heart. You can see that I requested for this to be like 1970s psychedelic animation, and that's what I want for my first frame. And there we go. So that's what we're going to use as our first frame. Let me go to the next step. Now from here, what we can do is to select our options for prompts to the video. So you can write your own prompt right over here, or you can simply use the lyrics as a prompt. So it's going to take the lyrics in that music video and then try to create visuals based on those lyrics. I'm also going to select Psychedelic Dream on here as well. Actually, let me just use the lyrics as a prompt. I thought you could do both, but I guess you can only do one. All right, so lyrics are used as a prompt. I'm now going to go to the next step. And what we can do is to choose the different art styles. So a second ago, I tried to do like a psychedelic art style, and I don't really see one that's here. I mean, pixel art looks kind of cool, but what I want to do is go right over here to where it says custom art style. And now from here, what I'm going to do is to create my own custom art style. Now you can type your own custom art style in here, but what I did instead is I just went to ChatGPT and I said, okay, if you were going to create like a 1970s psychedelic look art style, what would it be? And it gave me this prompt. So now I'm going to go to the next step. And then the last step, there's a number of different camera effects that you can choose. I usually just use this option that says curated camera effects. And now I'm going to go to our next step. My last option is going to be to set these video settings. In this case, this is a YouTube video, so I want to go 16:9. And my last step is to select render video, and then we simply wait. All right, so it took about, I don't know, it said about 20 minutes or so, but this video is just about finished. Let me go ahead and play a little bit for you. You can see it ended up looking pretty cool. Now once this is finished, I can select download, and now check it out. Our video now is ready to play, and to share with the world. So it's that easy. So the website, magichour.ai, you can sign up for free. It's an awesome website. Go ahead, check it out today to see how you can use AI to create a music video.